In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a privacy policy to the footer in Google Sites, a handy trick that can really enhance the professionalism of your site. Let's dive right in and make sure that your site looks polished and complete with this essential element. First, we'll start by heading over to your Google Sites dashboard. Once you're there, you'll notice the list of pages on your site on the right-hand side. It's here that the journey begins. Go ahead and click on Pages to reveal a more detailed view of your site's structure. This is where you'll find options for managing, adding or editing the pages that make up your website. With the Pages section open, you'll see a plus icon, usually located at the bottom or top of the pages list. Clicking this will allow you to create a new page on your site. Think of this new page as the digital space where your privacy policy will live. Once you click it, you'll have the opportunity to name your page, ideally privacy policy, for clarity and ease of access. Now that you have your new page set up, it's time to populate it with your privacy text. Click on the page and you'll see an editing area akin to a blank canvas where you can paste or type out the full text of your privacy policy. Be sure to spend a bit of time here ensuring that the text is both clear and comprehensive, as this is a key communication to your site visitors. The next step is adding this new page as a footer to your site. By heading back to your site's dashboard, you'll see an option labeled Add Footer. Simply click on this option to start integrating the privacy policy directly into the footer section, making it accessible from every page of your site. You'll now want to type the word privacy or even privacy policy in the footer text box. Once typed, highlight the word. Highlighting it is crucial because we'll be linking it to the privacy policy page you've just created, ensuring a seamless experience for your site visitors. After highlighting, look for a link icon within the editing toolbar that appears. Click it and you'll be prompted to link the highlighted text to one of your site's existing pages. Choose the privacy policy page you just created. Select this page and confirm your selection by clicking on Apply. This action successfully links the footer text to your dedicated privacy policy page, and there you have it. You've successfully linked your privacy policy in the footer section across your Google site. Always ensure everything looks good by previewing your changes and testing the link to make sure it navigates correctly. This small yet significant enhancement adds a professional touch, ensuring your site meets standard privacy needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for fantastic tips and tricks on Google Sites.